of that. Looks like we got to do maintenance. We've got maintenance to do. What the fuck? What are you doing? Fuck off. Regulator. Oh, fuck off. What dramas have I got here? Shit. Fuck. Fucking fuck. Oh, fuck, this is bullshit. Fucking regulator. Piece of shit, cunt. You're a piece of shit. What are you fucking doing to me, cunt? Fuck off. This is fucking bullshit. Fucking regulator. I'm just going to cut this here. We're going to put this one on instead. Give it another crack. Forgot my shifter. So this is actually the Devil Forge regulator. Let me go get a shifter. I'll be there in a minute. Okay. Let's see how we go with this one. Hoping this will do both burners. Right. So I'll just set you up here so you can see. Just going to turn these up to get the pressure up. Take you off. I can't take you off, you're on charge. What's leaking? leaking there. We're leaking. We had a leak. I reckon it got probably too hot. Get off. Okay. This one up too. Well, that's loose as shit too. Okay. Right, let's have a look at this pressure now. Look at that. Looks like we got to do maintenance. We've got maintenance to do. I've got to cut the cables and redo these. I think we're going to call it quits, guys. We're going to call it quits. I've got maintenance to do on this foundry furnace. Anyway, at least we know I've got maintenance to do. This regulator, don't buy them. They are absolute shit. Goes up to bloody 10 psi and it just stops. No good. So I'll put the Devil Forge, get the Devil Forge stuff. I don't even have to shut them off. I just have to open that up and that should light up. It should be hot enough. Here we go. I can regulate it nicely. More, less. Very good regulator. And we're back in action. Back in action. So we'll have a look at inside, make sure it's burning good. Sounds bloody a lot better. Much better. I just didn't realise how bad that regulator was. That regulator was absolute shit. I got this. This was on eBay with the 2 burners. I bought the whole thing on eBay. Don't buy that regulator. It's absolute crap. Probably lasted a year and now it's shit itself. Once it gets past that 10 psi, it's no good. So go with the Devil Forge stuff. Devil Forge stuff's the go. There you go, guys. No wonder I had so much drama with this other one. This one just starts instantly. Look at that. Straight away. Instant. Perfect. Because before I had to go shut them off, turn it off, open that, wind up the regulator and then open that, then light it. It was a pain in the ass. Now she's just straight on. Because there aren't any dramas when it comes to gas and all the rest of it. Make sure you check your gas lines too. Every 4 months or so, just check all your gas lines. Bit of safety tips for you. Cheers, guys.